Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome you all in today's e-learning class. Our today's topic is direct and indirect speech or narration. What is narration? The action or process of telling a story is called narration. The art of reporting the words of a speaker is called narration. There are two ways of reporting the words of a speaker: direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech is also called reporting speech. In direct speech, the words of the speaker are enclosed in speech marks or quotation marks or inverted commas. The marks that are inside the bracket, they are called speech marks, inverted commas, or quotation marks. She asked, "What are you doing today?" You can see here, the words of the speaker are enclosed in inverted commas. Indirect speech is also called as reported speech. In indirect speech or reported speech, we report what someone has said to someone else by making some changes. She asked me, commas are removed. What? You is replaced by I. I was doing today into that day. She asked me what I was doing that day. In narration, a sentence has two parts. The part that is outside the quotation marks, it is called reporting speech. The part that is inside the quotation marks, it is called reported speech. When we change direct speech into indirect speech, some rules are observed. Have a look at these rules. Rule number 1. Speech marks or inverted commas are removed by some suitable conjunction. She said, "I am unwell." She said, inverted commas are removed by that. She was unwell. Rule number 2. If there is an object after said, said is changed into told. For example, she said to me, "You are not running very fast." She told me that I was not running very fast. Rule number 3. Change of pronoun or person. First person pronoun of reported speech are changed according to the subject of reporting speech. I will repeat again. First person pronoun, first person pronouns are I and we. First person pronoun of reported speech is changed according to the subject of reporting speech. Whatever is written here, we can we replace first person pronoun with that. You can see here, she says that first person pronoun I is replaced by the subject pronoun of reporting speech, that she is in 10th class. Second person pronoun of reported speech is changed according to object of reporting speech. Second person pronoun is one and only, that is you. Second person pronoun of reported speech is changed according to the object of reporting speech. She tells me, commas are removed by that. Second person pronoun you is changed according to me, that I had not completed my assignment. Third person pronoun he, she, they of reported speech is not changed. They remain the same. He says he does not work hard. Third person pronoun of reported speech remains unchanged. He says that he does not work hard. This is the most important rule. Rule number 4. It is change of tense. Keep it in mind, all these changes are observed only when our reporting speech is in past tense. When the reporting speech is in past tense. Reporting speech means the part that is outside the inverted commas. If it is in past tense, then the following changes are observed. Simple present changes into simple past. Simple present tense means there is a first form of verb. First form of verb is changes into second form of verb, and do does into did. Present continuous changes to past continuous. For your convenience, I have written some words that uh, helping words that will help you to change. Is MR into was were. Present perfect changes to past perfect. Present perfect means if there is has or have in the sentence, it is changed into past perfect into had. Present perfect continuous changes to past perfect continuous. Has, have plus been plus ing form. It is changed into had been plus ing form. He has been running very fast. It will be changed into he had been running very fast. Simple past changes to past perfect. Second form into had plus third form of verb. Past continuous changes to past perfect continuous. Was, were. He was running very fast. It will be changed into he had been running very fast. In future tense, will and shall changes into would, can into could, may into might. Again, have a look here. Present simple is changes into past simple. These are the tense changes that we have discussed in our previous slide in detail. Present continuous into past continuous, past simple into past perfect, present perfect into past perfect, will future into would plus bare infinitive. Bare infinitive means first form of verb without to. Can into could, has, have to into had to, imperative into to plus first form of verb. Infinitive is the first form of verb. If universal truth is expressed in reported speech, there will be no change in the tense. The teacher said to me, the reporting speech is in past tense. But in reported speech, universal truth is described. So we are not going to make any change in the tense. The teacher said to me, honesty is the best policy. We just remove the commas. There will be no change of tense. The teacher told me that honesty is the best policy. If the reporting speech is in present tense or future tense, then there will be no change in the tense of reported speech. He says reporting speech is in present tense and we are not going to change the tense of reported speech. He says that he is ill. Change of adverbs. When we change direct speech into indirect speech, if the word now is given, it is changed into then. If tomorrow is written, it will be changed into the following day. Next into the following week. Tonight into that night. Today into that day. Yesterday into the day before. Last night into the night before. Last week, the week before. Here into there. This into that. These into those. Today we are going to change interrogative sentences into indirect speech. First of all, I will define what is an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence is used to ask question, and question mark is put at the end of the sentence. Interrogative sentence helps us to gather information. It helps us to satisfy our queries. What are you doing? Where are you going? Where are you from? Do you agree with me? Before that, we have discussed the rule that will be observed commonly uh, in all types of narration. Now we will discuss with reference to the interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentences, said is changed into asked or inquired. If the interrogative sentence begins with auxiliary verb, is, am, are, was, were, will, shall, can, etc., commas are removed by whether or if. I will repeat again. While changing interrogative sentences into indirect speech, number one, we change said into asked or inquired. If the interrogative sentence begins with auxiliary verb, is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall, etc., we commas are removed by whether or if. We can use any of these conjunctions. We said to him, are you ill? We asked him if he was ill. Commas are removed by if. We can also use whether here. We asked him whether he was ill. If the interrogative sentence begins with WH words, when, what, where, why, who, how, no conjunction is added to remove commas. Tina said, what will be the charges? Tina inquired. There is no conjunction. What the charges would be. When we change direct speech into indirect speech in interrogative sentences, question mark is removed because in indirect speech we are not asking the questions, we are just reporting the words of the speaker. Now open your book, page number 172, and solve the exercise. Our sentence number one is, she said, is this your book? Said is changed into asked. She asked. Commas are removed by if. This into that. She asked if that book was mine. Here is a second person. Second person is changed according to object. But there is no object after said. We can use any pronoun according to our choice. I have used here, she said to me. She asked if that book was mine. She asked if that was my book. It can be done in two ways. Sentence number two. He said, do you have any share in this firm? Again, said is changed into asked. Commas are removed by if.